If you're seeing the dreaded critical error message after updating your PHP version in WordPress, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix WordPress critical error after PHP updates step by step. This usually happens because a plugin or theme isn't compatible with the new PHP version, or your memory settings need adjustment. I'll walk you through the safest way to troubleshoot and get your site back online quickly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is check your email inbox connected to your WordPress admin account. When a critical error occurs, WordPress automatically sends a recovery mode link to your email. Open that message and click the recovery link. This will allow you to log into your dashboard in recovery mode even though the front end of your site may be broken. From there, WordPress will usually tell you which plugin or theme caused the issue so you can safely deactivate it. Before making any major changes, step 2 is to back up your website. This is extremely important. Create a full backup of both your website files and your database using your hosting provider, cPanel, or a backup plugin if you still have dashboard access. If anything goes wrong during troubleshooting, you'll be able to restore your site without losing data. Next, enable WordPress debug mode to see the exact error message. Access your site files through your hosting file manager or FTP, then open the wp-config.php file. Just above the line that says, "That's all, stop editing," add the following lines of code to turn on debugging and log errors to a file. This will create a debug.log file inside the WP content folder. After saving the file, refresh your site and then check the debug log to identify which file, plugin, or function is causing the fatal error. If the issue is plugin related, the next step is to deactivate all plugins. If you can access the dashboard in recovery mode, simply go to plugins and deactivate them all. Then reactivate them one by one, checking your site each time to find the one causing the conflict. If you can't access the dashboard, go to WP content in your file manager and rename the plugins folder to something like plugins old. This will automatically deactivate all plugins at once. If deactivating plugins doesn't fix the problem, your theme might be incompatible with the new PHP version. Go to the WP content/themes folder and rename your active theme folder. For example, change Astra to Astra Old. WordPress will automatically switch to a default theme like 2024. If your site loads correctly after that, you know your theme needs to be updated or replaced with a PHP-compatible version. Finally, you may need to increase your PHP memory limit. Sometimes a newer PHP version requires more memory to run properly. Open your wp-config.php file again and add define WP memory limit 256 M. Save the file and test your site. In many cases, this simple change resolves the critical error immediately. By following these steps, you now know how to fix WordPress critical error after PHP update safely and effectively. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.